Okay, I'm cleaning the track again from all the snow and dirt on the track. So I have the little snow blower on the front there. I think it's from Walther's actually. I think it's also from Walther's, I'm pretty sure. Let's slow it down here. See, when you slow it down, it actually slows down the snowblower also. And then when you put it in reverse, let's put everything in reverse. Back up everything. See, it doesn't run, which is perfect. Okay, so let's go forward again. It starts off slow because the engines start off slow, and then we'll go to full speed. And I have the little blue Minitronics there also. Oh, I just lost my caboose. Oh yes, because that Minitronics, yes. I have issues with that car. Maybe I'll just leave the caboose off for now. Where is it? Yeah, it's over there. I'll just leave the caboose off for now. Right over here. Okay, go back to forward. So this one, once that light turns red, there we go, it's cleaning. So there is a way to shut it off also. There's a little red button that you press, it'll turn it off. So yeah, I'm just doing some track cleaning with my snowblower. Well, I have my CN track cleaner and the Minitronics electronic track cleaner on there. So it says to run it for 10 minutes on the track. And it actually says also to put it in front of the engines. I don't do that. I don't put it in front. I don't think there's any difference between having it in front or in the back. It's electronic, so why would there be a difference? I'm not going to obviously make a 10-minute video of me cleaning the track. I just thought I'd show this with the snowblower also at the front there. From New York Central snowblower. I'm pretty sure it's a Walther's snowblower, powered snowblower. It works great. It's very smooth. Let's slow it down here. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.